If you wake up tired or feeling heavy, start your day with Surya Namaskar. Hi, today we are going to focus on Surya Namaskar. But why Surya Namaskar? Surya Namaskar has 12 yoga poses which helps you to energize, and it also warms up your body and it works on your complete body, that is from top to bottom. So let's start step by step and I will be guiding you through the whole process. For that you require a mat and yourself, nothing else. Okay, so let's start. So we're going to come to the front of the mat. You're going to keep your feet together. You're going to slowly roll the shoulders, keeping both your palms in Namaskar here. Take a breather here. Inhale deeply and exhale deeply for a few seconds. Observe your body here. Now with an inhalation, you're going to slowly raise your hands up in the air. Keep deepening your breath. If you're comfortable, you can slowly bend back here. Now slowly with an exhalation, slowly release your palms on the mat. In case, if you cannot reach your palms to the mat, slightly bend your knees. That's okay to bend. You can stay on your fingertips. Okay. From here, you're going to go for the next one where you take your right leg back, drop the right knee on the mat. Untuck your toes, roll the shoulders back, chest lifted, keep looking ahead. Breathe here. Keep deepening your breath. Let's try to stay at least for a few breaths just to understand the pose. Relaxing your body. Very nice. Now pressing into your palms, we're going to get into the next pose. You're going to tuck your toes. Take the left leg back. This is a plank where you want to spread your arms out. Make sure always your palms and your shoulders are in one line. Take a breather here. Make sure you're not dipping your spine. Always engage your core, tuck your pelvic floor and engage your quads. And stay here for a few breaths. Let's stay for 3 breaths here. Breathe. And from here, slowly you're going to drop your knees down, chest down. So there are times where you can't directly go here. So what you can do is slightly lie down, tuck your toes, lift your hip up and keep your chin down. Breathe here. Now you're going to untuck your toes. With an inhalation, you're going to come to a Cobra pose. Try to keep both your feet together. Roll the shoulders back. Chest lifted. Look ahead. From here, you're going to press into your palms. Tuck your toes. Lift your hip up. Try to lengthen your spine here. Pressing into your heels. Maybe there might be a chance where you might not reach it. It's okay. Bend your knees here. Try to push your belly to thighs. Look towards your belly. Breathe in deeply. Breathe out deeply. From here, you can slowly drop your left knee down. Take the right leg forward. Roll the shoulders back. Untuck your toes. Look forward. Breathe here. Now tucking your toes. With an exhalation, take your left leg forward, coming to a forward fold. Slowly inhale, reaching both your hands up in the air. Look up if you're comfortable, or you can look ahead. With an exhalation, coming to Namaskar. And you can release your hands here. Now we'll do the same thing on the other side. That's your left side. Now let's keep our palms in Namaskar again. Raising your hands up in the air, reach up. With an exhalation, slowly release your palms on the ground. Make sure not reaching, please bend your knees here. Now with an inhalation, you're going to take the left leg back, drop the left knee on the mat. Roll the shoulders, look ahead. Breathe in and breathe out here. Now pressing into your palms, take the leg back, tucking your toes in, coming to a plank. Always make sure you're engaging your core well, quads well. Breathe. Now slowly drop the knees down, chest tension down. Now with an inhalation, you're going to slowly look ahead, coming to Cobra here. Make sure always your shoulders are rolled back. Breathe. Now from here, you're going to tuck your toes in, coming to mountain pose here. Keep pressing your heels on the mat. It's okay if it's not reaching. Breathe here. Now from here, drop your right knee down, take the left leg forward, untuck your toes, coming to lunge. Now from here, tucking your toes here, taking your right leg forward, coming to a forward fold here. Now slowly with an inhalation, raising your hands up. Breathe. Exhale. Namaskar. The best time to practice Surya Namaskar is in the early morning. Stay tuned for the next video.